In this video friends, I will show you how to fix Instagram new font not showing. So friends, all first step you need to do, go to App Store and make sure you're updated your Instagram account. Make sure that's updated here. As you can see here, click updated. After that friends, go to setting, and from the setting go to general and go to iPhone storage. From here make sure go to Instagram, you look for Instagram option. This is the Instagram app. So guys go back again till see Instagram option. From here you can see here and then click offload app. If you this not work, go to the Instagram app. From here click the three lines and then scroll down, let's see option help, and then click help center. From the help center friends, you see on the search bar for font size not showing, and then click OK. After that friends, click on this option, add text, this option here, add text or your video, and then scroll down, click this is not helpful, and then click other and select right here my new font not showing up. This is how you can do, and click send. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video.